Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing FX Console and restarting After Effects so everything registers. Once the app is ready, open FX Console from the window menu or hit your hotkey to summon it instantly. Make sure to pin the panel and set a fast cache path so previews load quickly. This reduces lag when you browse presets. You'll want Quick Apply enabled to drop effects directly onto selected layers, because that saves time and keeps your workflow focused on creative decisions. Once FX Console is open, search by typing effect names or keywords. The fuzzy search helps when you mistype. You can apply a preset by pressing Enter to quick apply or drag and drop from the list onto a layer for visual placement. Use Shift or Alt modifiers to access alternative behaviors like replacing or stacking effects. Make sure to organize your most used presets into folders and add thumbnails so you can visually scan options faster. This keeps your middle stage workflow precise. You finish by using Batch Apply to push the same effect to multiple layers, which speeds up compositing tasks significantly. Once done, export your preset library and back up the cache so you can move setups between projects or machines without rework. If an effect doesn't show up, make sure the underlying plugin is installed, relink or reinstall it, then refresh FX Console. That resolves most missing presets issues. If problems persist, restart After Effects and reload your saved library to restore consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.